say that again. Never say that again. Come over here and take a look. Come over here and take a look. I'm speechless. I'm speechless. What seems to be the problem? What seems to be the problem? I have a secret to tell you. I have a secret to tell you. How long will you be? How long will you be? It doesn't matter anymore. It doesn't matter anymore. Have you tried ringing her? Have you tried ringing her? I've lost my bank card. I've lost my bank card. That was lucky. That was lucky. Let me guess. Let me guess. I'm free all day. I'm free all day. It will only take a minute. It will only take a minute. That was so simple. That was so simple. What would you like? What would you like? That's not fair. That's not fair. How long will it take? How long will it take? It will be finished soon. It will be finished soon. Move out of the way. Move out of the way. No worries, I'll speak to you later. No worries, I'll speak to you later. How long are you there for? How long are you there for? It's warm outside. It's warm outside. I've made a terrible mistake. I've made a terrible mistake. I can't complain. I can't complain. Just try again. Just try again. Watch out for the car. Watch out for the car. I was completely heartbroken. I was completely heartbroken. I can't believe I didn't know this. I can't believe I didn't know this. Just wait over there. Just wait over there. It's sad, but I have to get over it. It's sad, but I have to get over it. You make me so happy. You make me so happy.
မင်းနေကောင်းလား
How are you? How are you?
ကျွန်တော်နေကောင်းပါတယ်မင်းကော
I'm fine. And you? I'm fine. And you?
မင်းအဆင်သင့်လား
Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready?
ဟုတ်ကဲ့ကျွန်တော်အဆင်သင့်ပါ
Yes, I'm ready. Yes, I'm ready.
မင်းဘာသာစကားဘယ်နှမျိုးပြောတတ်လဲ
How many languages do you speak? How many languages do you speak?
ကျွန်တော်ဘာသာစကား2မျိုးပြောတတ်ပါတယ်
I speak 2 languages. I speak 2 languages.
မင်းကော်ဖီတောက်ချင်လား
Would you like to have coffee? Would you like to have coffee?
ကျေးဇူးပါကျွန်တော်လက်ဖက်ရည်တောက်ချင်တယ်
No, thanks. I like tea. No, thanks. I like tea.
ကျွန်တော်အသက်26နှစ်ရှိပါပြီ
I'm 26 years old. I'm 26 years old.
မင်းဘာအလုပ်လုပ်လဲ
What do you do? What do you do?
ကျွန်တော်ကကျောင်းသားတစ်ယောက်ပါ
I'm a student. I'm a student.
မင်းဒီမှာဘယ်လောက်ကြာပြီလဲ
How long have you been here? How long have you been here?
2နှစ်ခန့်
About 2 years. About 2 years.
မင်းမှာအိမ်ထောင်ရှိလား
Are you married? Are you married?
ကျွန်တော်မှာအိမ်ထောင်မရှိပါ
No, I'm not married. No, I'm not married. Do you speak English?
မင်းအင်္ဂလိပ်စကားပြောတတ်လား
Do you speak English?
နည်းနည်းပါဒါပေမဲ့အရင်ကြီးမပြောတတ်ဘူး
A little, but not very well. A little, but not very well.
မင်းအသက်ဘယ်လောက်ရှိပြီလဲ
How old are you? How old are you?